Got a John Deere 4650, 4850 sheet metal package. Didn't want to oversell this with the imaging, so we wanted to do a quick little video. There's nothing special about this particular package. Going to try to show you anything that looks ugly. Here's an example where we messed this up removing it, and so we've broken off those pieces. So we've knocked $500 off for the package for that. Hood is good and straight, it's not bent up. So you can see it would clean up really good, a little oxidized. And here's the fuel tank that came off of it. Fuel tank was not leaking when it came off. You can see there's a little blemish right there. The little ding there, looks like somebody tried to touch it up there. Maybe the prior owner, but still got the emblem on it. It's been stored inside, so no water inside the fuel tank. And this was a 48 that was beside it, so you can see where, you know, this is not what we're selling here, but so I'm going to say that it's an average, nothing special. It does have the stack with it, plug-ins there. It does have the old original style light bar. And these are two-wheel drive fenders, two-wheel drive screens. If you need them for a four-wheel drive, just the part number we use would be this is a dash two-wheel drive, so the other one would be a dash MFWD, I suppose. Anyway, this is not, we don't sell the side screen, don't sell the panels out of them. We only sell the packages. So if you need the side screens, can't help you on those. If you need these panels, which everybody can't find, can't help you on those. It's the package or nothing. Appreciate it.